Hello students, today we are going to learn about the structure of leaf. You can see that ma'am is carrying a leaf in the hands. Now what are leaves? Leaves are the green parts of the plant which make food for the plant. That is why we call them as food factories of the plants. Now you can see here that the leaf is having a tip and a base. So this portion at the top is called the tip of the leaf and the portion at the bottom is called the base of the leaf. Now the leaf is attached to the stem or to the branch from its base with a leaf stalk which is called petiole. That means it is attached to the branch of the plant with the help of a small stalk-like structure which is called petiole. Okay. Now here you can see the margin of the leaves. This is the margin of the leaf which gives shape to the leaf. Here the surface which you can see, this surface is called the lamina of the leaf. What it is called? Lamina of the leaf. Now in the center of the leaf you can see a thick vein, isn't it? This thick vein is the midrib. It is called the midrib and it is in the center. See, it's very clear here. And there are some other veins also in the sides, smaller ones, isn't it? On both the sides. These veins are called the side veins. So this is the mid vein or the midrib. These are the side veins. This is the leaf margin. This is the petiole. This is the leaf tip. And this is the lamina. Okay. Now one thing you can observe in this leaf, that one side is very dark and the other side is light in color. Now first of all, why it is green in color? Because we have already learnt that leaves possess a green pigment called chlorophyll which traps the sunlight to make food. So this green color is because of the presence of the green pigment which is called chlorophyll. But we can see one thing, that this portion of the leaf is more dark than this portion. Why is it so? It is because the chlorophyll content is more on this side of the leaf as compared to this side. Now, if the chlorophyll content is more, that means it will trap maximum amount of sunlight to make food. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you, that the leaf has two surfaces. As we can see, this is the upper surface of the leaf and this is the lower surface of the leaf. The upper surface of the leaf is called the ventral side of the leaf and it is more dark as compared to the lower side of the leaf. Now this upper side of the leaf is the side which is facing the sun. So it is called the ventral side of the leaf. While the lower portion of the leaf which is facing the soil is called dorsal side of the leaf. So this is the ventral side and this is the dorsal side. I hope the structure of leaf is clear to you. I will come back again in a new video and will discuss uses of leaves in that video. Till then, take care.